Pre-match press conference dari Dewa United FC jelang pertandingan besok di pekan ke-32. Dewa United FC berhadapan dengan Persita Tangerang dan telah hadir di layar Zoom rekan-rekan media semuanya. Ada Coach Jan Oldering Kering bersama Alfie Antoniko dari perwakilan pemain. Langsung Coach mungkin bisa memulai pre-match press conference dengan mengutarakan untuk kesiapan tim besok dan juga kondisi terkini tim Dewa United FC. Silakan Coach.
Okay, Coach. Please open the sessions today by describing the Dewa United's conditions for the game tomorrow.
First, I want to congratulate Bandung, of course, with the championship.
Dia mengucapkan selamat dulu buat Bandung juara.
3 games to go.
Tapi masih ada 3 pertandingan.
I think our goal is clear.
Tujuan kita jelas ya.
We have to do better than last year. We're still a young club.
Lakuin lebih baik daripada musim lalu.
Last year we ended the 5th position with 54 points.
Musim lalu kita peringkat 5 dengan poin 54.
And I think that's for us the main target.
Buat kita itu adalah target utama
as a club.
Sebagai klub.
So we have to be in the top 4.
Jadi harus bisa masuk 4 besar.
And for us as a group, we want to be, of course, the highest in the top 4.
Sebagai grup kita mau yang paling tinggi di 4 besar.
So there are 3 positions left now.
Jadi ada 3 posisi.
So second, third or fourth.
2, 3 atau 4.
And of course we play the last 3 games to stay on the position we are.
Dan kita main di 3 pertandingan terakhir untuk bisa nggak kemana-mana.
So we are aiming for the second position.
Jadi artinya itu tetap di peringkat 2.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Untuk persiapan menghadapi Persita Tangerang, Coach sudah memberikan banyak motivasi juga dan sudah mempersiapkan tim dengan baik. Dan motivasi pemain juga bagus. Dan apa yang dikata pelatih tadi, target kita lebih baik dari tahun kemarin dan tentunya kita pengen di peringkat kedua.
And of course we want to be number 2. Coach, what do you think about Persita? If you see the last 2 games, Dewa United playing against Persita, Dewa scored 8 goals and conceded only 1. What do you think?
I think, but that's every time. I think the teams, they change a lot in names and different players. So I think you cannot compare the former games with this game.
Gak bisa kita bandingkan dengan pertandingan sekarang karena mereka banyak ganti pemain, banyak nama baru.
Especially in this phase of the season.
Khususnya di fase sekarang.
You see every time strange results in the games.
Ada banyak hasil aneh.
That has to do with teams that don't want to relegate.
Ada hubungannya dengan tim yang nggak mau degradasi.
Or teams that try to get in the top 4 positions.
Atau tim yang mau masuk 4 besar.
And I think that this game you cannot compare to the other games we played.
Jadi ini nggak bisa dibandingkan pertandingan ini dengan pertandingan yang kita mainkan kemarin.
We know it's a derby.
Kita tahu ini adalah derby.
I think for some people it's also that kind of honor.
What, Coach?
It's an honor.
Oh, honor. Ini kebanggaan.
So I think besides that we want to be in the position we are.
Kita mau ada di posisi kita sekarang.
We have also to prepare for a team that will be highly motivated to win this game.
Juga kita harus siapkan lawan tim yang motivasinya tinggi untuk menang pertandingan ini.
And of course I hope we have a higher motivation.
Dan tentunya kita lah yang punya motivasi tinggi itu buat menang. Coach, what do you think about Dewa United get the license to play in AFC next season among 6 other clubs? Do you think it's a good motivation for the team to get the chance to play in Asia next season?
No, but I think it's a compliment for the management and the leadership in the club.
Ini pujian untuk manajemen dan kepemimpinannya.
And of course, I think it's a part of what we do is getting the reward at the end of the season.
Ini bagian dari yang kita lakukan, dapatkan hadiah di akhir musim.
But I try always that we get the highest motivation in.
Dia selalu coba dapatkan motivasi tertinggi.
In the way we play.
Di cara kita main.
And we make a plan, we train.
Kita bikin plan, kita latihan.
We show this season that we created identity for Dewa United.
Kita menciptakan identitas untuk Dewa United.
And I think we do things different.
Kita ngelakuin hal yang berbeda.
And at the end, the result will be the final mirror how we do it.
Hasil akan jadi cerminan utama.
But I'm also proud in the way we present ourselves.
Ini bagian bangga dia dengan
in the way we play,
cara kita main,
the way we think,
bagaimana kita mikir,
the way we behave,
bagaimana kita juga berperilaku.
And that we one of the clubs that now get a license that says also everything about Dewa.
Ini juga ada hubungannya dengan kita sebagai klub, kita dapat lisensi.
So it helps to get the reward.
Jadi penting dapat hadiah.
But I hope my players already motivated enough that they don't.
Tapi dia rasa pemain udah punya motivasi cukup. Okay, big competitions for the second positions. Now Malut also is there, only 1 points behind. What do you think, coach? 3 clubs.
And the final result.
Hasil akhir.
But that's also typical for Dewa.
Ini juga tipikal Dewa.
That it will also, if you have the same amount of points, it will be decided by head-to-head.
Kalau poinnya sama, nanti kan tergantung dengan head-to-head.
For example, against Bandung we had a draw 2-2 and we won 2-0.
Contoh lawan Bandung, kita draw sama menang.
Head-to-head we are better than Persebaya.
Head-to-head juga kita lebih bagus dari Persebaya.
And head-to-head we are also better than Persija.
Juga lebih bagus daripada Persija, head-to-head kita.
I think Malut not, but
lawan Malut enggak.
I think they have some difficult games.
Tapi mereka punya pertandingan yang sulit beberapa.
But I will promise you this.
Tapi saya janji ini ke kalian.
After the last game there will be a ranking.
Habis pertandingan terakhir akan ketahuan.
And of course we do everything to go for that position.
Dan kita akan coba ada di posisi itu.
But in our way.
Tapi dengan cara kita.
And with our identity.
Dengan identitas kita.
And I believe that it will have results.
Itu akan ada hasil. Dia percaya.
Baik, saya rasa itu jadi pertanyaan yang terakhir. Kalau begitu, pre-match press conference dari tim Dewa United FC diakhiri. Thank you Coach Ian, terima kasih juga Niko, terima kasih juga Bayu Eka Sari. Tertutup dengan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And the question, Nico?
Nothing.
No.